Hello there. Hello, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I want to show to us how you can access and how you can go through or check your analytics, your YouTube analytics for your channel or for your videos. YouTube analytics is very important because it helps you to understand exactly how your videos are doing and where they are getting their engagements, the kind of contents that are getting the engagements, and the category of people that are actually watching your content, so that it will guide you to be able to create content in that line so that you will have more engagements, more views, and to get your channel going. So in this particular video, I'm going to get us through. This is just the introduction. So we're going to get the basics on how you need to check your analytics, your video analytics, your channel analytics, and what to do and where to find every thing that you need to know about your video or your channel analytics. So right away we're going to go to my desktop. Let's get to my desktop. So here is my desktop. So the first thing is ensure you're logged into that particular channel on that browser, whatever browser you're using, is it Google Chrome or whatever. So once you're here, you go to studio.com, studio.youtube.com. It's going to take you directly to your YouTube studio, and you can see this YouTube studio for this particular channel. So you can see the latest video. It shows you the basic analytics here. You see summary, last 28 days, so and so on. So you can see it's one of my channels, but it's been a long time I've not been posting on this particular channel. So you can see. So the next thing is you could even check here. You see your content. You see the content that is on the channel, and then you go to analytics. You're gonna click analytics. When you click on analytics, it's going to show you exactly for the last 28 days. This is how much your channel has done. It's just 150 views for this particular channel. The last 28 days. You go through, you see other videos. It's going to show you other videos. Then you can see real-time live updates. You can see in the last 48 hours, this channel has gotten 53 views. So basically, as it for this front, you can see even here, you see it's going to give you the top performing content on your channel, and then it's going to give you the average duration. That is the average time that people are watching your content. You can see this one is 1.5, 6, making 16%. This one is 0.4 seconds, 0.3 seconds. You can see the various average duration for each of the videos here. See 3.3. You can see this one 7.4 seconds in 100 plus. You can see this one few seconds, 6 minutes, 3 minutes, 8 minutes average duration. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing is you're going to click on this particular button to go to advanced tools or advanced mode. Click here, it's going to take you to the advanced mode where you're going to see more details about your channel or your analytics. So here you will see it's going to show what is actually showing as top content in the last 28 days. Top content in the last 28 days. You can see here at the top, you can change depending on exactly what you want to look. You can see see traffic source in the last 28 days. You can see top geographic or geographies in the last 28 days, and so on. So let's first look at this. You can see here, you see the various top videos, see the views the last 28 days, you see the average duration, you see number of subscribers gained by each video. You know, each video, once people watch your video, they can decide to subscribe. You can watch the video and decide to subscribe to that particular channel through that particular video. Every detail, YouTube puts it in place, every detail. So it will show you how many subscribers you got. For instance, you see through this video, we had 1 subscriber for the last 28 days. Okay, then you can see the rest of the videos. You can check if your channel is doing well. You see there are going to be alarming figures down here. So this is just a young channel, and it's been long, more than 5 months with no post on this particular channel. So you can go also to check the details for each video. This is the general analytics for the top videos, right? The top videos. But then you can stream it down to a particular video. You want to check, let's take for instance this particular video. You want to check how this video is doing. You want to get the analytics for this video. Or before we go to the video, we'll check the general. And also, like I showed us, you can check the traffic source. Where are the people that are watching? Where are they coming from? Okay, I take, for instance, you see, the traffic source. It's YouTube search. You see, out of 150 views, 88 are coming from search. So you know that what you are posting, people are actually searching for it. And it's through search that many people saw your videos. So if you understand this already, you will know exactly how to create your content. So how do this search works? For instance, if it goes with the titles. That's why it's very important to title your YouTube video very well. When you title it very well, the words that you have used in that particular title will easily show up on your search when people search for that particular subject. And things like descriptions, things like hashtags, they are also very important. They are the things that contribute to this search. And people search content because the particular content you are trying to create, so many other people have created the content. So how will your channel or your video how will it be able to maybe rank first on the search? So that's not SEO. So we're going to talk about that another time. So it's very important to title your videos and to also ensure that you describe your videos very accurately. Okay, so you can see that your top views are coming from search, suggested videos like when you finish a video, another video will immediately show up. You know how in the next videos we're going to look at that, how your videos can easily be suggested. Okay, others views, they came from playlists. You see, all the things that are very important. So when you know that playlists are bringing you views, then you also endeavor to have playlists as well. You see, external source like maybe you share to WhatsApp, you share to Facebook, and from Facebook people came to your video. Those are external sources. You can see people came to videos through the shorts and many other features. So you can see that here. So we were here. You can also check out the top geographies. That's where the people are coming from. That's geographical speaking. You can also check that out. Okay. Then audience age, advanced size, and so on. So let's go to, not to make this video too long, we're going to go to video analytics. Here we are looking at the channel analytics. So we're going to look at the video, the specific video. So once you just hover over the video, is going to show analytics. Simply click analytics and it's going to open up. You wait for it to load. Once it loads, okay, you're going to see this is the analytics, the overview of the analytics for this particular video. You see that since it was published, you can see when it was published, June. Since June. I think that was the last video I published, June. We're in November. Okay, almost 4 months, Okay, you see, since it was published, it has gotten to 274 views. And watch time, it has gotten 9 hours and 2 subscribers. Okay, so you can see other details. It has the average duration, view duration. You can see 2 minutes, percentage. Then you can, the next thing, we'll go to this advanced mode to see more details about this video. Now, before going to advanced mode, you can see this other, the reach. I mean, how many people the video was able to reach. You can see impressions here. You can see impressions, click-through ratio. We'll talk about this in detail in another video. Click-through ratio, how important it is and how it helps your channel. And then you can see the views. And then you come down here, you see, for this particular video, you see the various traffic sources. Like we already saw, you can see this video, you can see 68% of those who viewed this video actually got it through search. You see, and then 22% from suggested videos, and then you have browse features, direct or unknown sources, and other YouTube features. You see, those are the various sources, and then you see the impressions. You can see from recommended content. You can see the percentage from the views from these particular impressions, and then you can see the watch time from these impressions. Here you can go more detailedly here to see exactly how the sources are working and how many views gotten from the various sources, impressions, and the click-through rate for every of the sources. See that? Okay. So now the next thing is you can explore, just explore everything here. You're going to know exactly how the video is doing, where, which kind of people, the age group, and all that kind of people that are watching. Okay, we go to advanced mode here. Advanced mode, you're going to see something like this. On advanced mode, it's going to show number of views gotten in the last 48 days, watch time, and so on. So here it doesn't have much details to see. Log in, it shows the graph. Then you can still change here in the advanced mode to see the various aspects of this particular analytics. So that is it for this. Basically, that's how you can see, or how you can check your analytics, know how your video is doing, and then you know how to Okay, most importantly, let's look at this section, YouTube search terms. Then you see the words, the title of this video is how to access or get access to Facebook Rights Manager. Get access to Facebook Rights Manager. So you see the words that led to people are actually searching. So the words that people actually search before they put them to my video. You can see the words here. You can see Rights Manager Facebook. You can see Rights Manager Facebook. Facebook Rights Manager apply. You can see Facebook Rights Manager. You see Facebook Rights Manager. Those are the words. You can click here to see more details of the various words. You see this particular word, Rights Manager Facebook, brought 10 views in the last 28 days. Rights Manager Facebook brought 7, and so on and so forth. So once you know this, you will know that when you are uploading a video, the title is very important. And the description, and you write words related to the video in different formats, so that when you search this way, it's taking you to the same video. You search the other way around, it takes you to the same video. So this is very important. This is very important. So thank you. This is why I'm sure this video has been helpful. And if it has been helpful indeed, please kindly ensure to help us share the video. You can like, you can comment, ask your question related to what you just saw, or any other thing about Facebook, rather about YouTube monetization and more. And see you in our next videos, and stay blessed. Shalom. Love you.